Hello, how are you today? We are diving into one of nature's most beautiful and powerful flowers, hibiscus. It's bright, bold, and healing in more ways than one. Whether you know it as a roselle, zobo, or sorrel, this vibrant flower is much more than a refreshing drink. It's a gentle herbal powerhouse with deep roots in traditional medicine across Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. Let's explore the incredible benefits and uses of hibiscus, and by the end of this video, you'll see why adding a cup of hibiscus tea to your routine may be one of the best things you can do for your health. Hibiscus tea is famous for helping lower high blood pressure naturally. Several studies show that drinking hibiscus tea regularly can gently reduce blood pressure, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle, helping your body flush out excess salt and fluid, allowing your heart to relax. So instead of always reaching for medication or energy drinks, a warm cup of hibiscus tea can be your heart's best friend. Beyond lowering blood pressure, hibiscus helps reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. This helps prevent buildup in the arteries, improving blood flow and lowering the risk of heart disease. It's like giving your cardiovascular system a gentle cleanse from the inside. One of hibiscus' greatest strengths lies in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give the petals their deep red color. These compounds protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are linked to aging, inflammation, and many chronic diseases. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly can help your skin glow, keep your immune system strong, and slow down visible signs of aging. Hibiscus is also known to support gentle detoxification. It helps the liver flush out toxins while improving fat metabolism. Studies suggest that hibiscus extract can reduce body fat accumulation and boost metabolism, making it an excellent companion for anyone on weight loss journey. If you're trying to shed a few extra kilos naturally, hibiscus tea without sugar is a wonderful choice. Hibiscus tea can also help balance blood sugar. It may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce spikes after meals. That's why many people with diabetes or insulin resistance include it in their daily routine. However, always consult your doctor if you're on medication, since hibiscus can enhance the effects of some drugs. Hibiscus is rich in vitamin C, iron, and calcium, which helps strengthen your immune system. A cup of hibiscus tea during cold or flu season can help your body fight off infections faster and soothe sore throats. The flower's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a gentle nature remedy for overall wellness. If you often feel bloated or constipated, hibiscus can help. It acts as a mild digestive aid, improving bowel movements and supporting gut health. Some people drink it after a heavy meal to ease digestion and prevent discomfort. It's refreshing, light, and soothing, perfect after eating. When applied topically, hibiscus works wonders for skin and hair. You can make a simple paste from the petals and use it as a natural hair conditioner. It strengthens roots, promotes hair growth, and adds shine. For the skin, hibiscus helps even out tone, tighten pores, and restore elasticity thanks to its natural acids and antioxidants. It's sometimes called the Botox plant, a natural rejuvenator. The most common way to enjoy hibiscus is as a tea or juice. Here is a simple recipe. Boil about 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus petals in 4 cups of water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add cinnamon, ginger, or cloves for extra warmth and flavor. Let it cool slightly. Sweeten with honey if desired. You can enjoy it hot or cold and even use it as a base for smoothies, mocktails, and herbal infusions. You can also find hibiscus in powdered form, capsules, or as an ingredient in a natural skincare product. While hibiscus is generally safe, it's good to know a few precautions. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor first. Hibiscus may affect hormonal imbalance. People with low blood pressure should drink it in moderation since it can lower blood pressure further. And if you're taking medication, especially for hypertension or diabetes, check with your doctor to avoid interactions. Hibiscus isn't just a flower. It's a symbol of beauty, balance, and health. It nourishes your heart, brightens your skin, supports digestion, and brings calm to your body and mind. So next time you're preparing your morning or evening drink, reach for hibiscus. Let its rich red color remind you that wellness can be both simple and beautiful. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health and nutritional tips. Thank you. Bye.